If you have a business of data recovery and you recover data for your customer, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your data recovery business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding data recovery, information, availability, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your data recovery business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Recovery Pro solution, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: data recovery, supported device and instruction. I'm going to select instruction. As soon as I have selected the instruction, they have provided me follow-up instruction with device shipping and drop-off guideline. And with that they have provided me 2 action button: need help and menu. I'm going to select menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. Let's select support device. As soon as I have selected supported device, they have provided me a message in which they have mentioned all the device that they are working with, and with that also they have provided me 2 action button. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for data recovery, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your data recovery business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here, I'm going to browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Like this, where I have mentioned that welcome to Recovery Pro Solution. Lost data, we help you get it back fast, safe and confidently. We recover data from hard drive, SSD, mobile device, SD cards and more, whether it deleted, damaged or corrupted. How can we help you today? For that, I'm going to add few action button by clicking on add button option, data recovery, supported device and instruction. Now for each action button, I'm going to enter a separate message. Let's start with data recovery. To recover data for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button, and over here, I'm going to enter my message. Please answer these questions. Number 1, full name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now for rest of the question, similarly, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and enter my message. Like this, where I have entered 3 more question: device type, device brand and model, and issue faced. For that also, I have selected my contact custom field as type, model and issue respectively. Now after asking few questions from my customer, I'm going to send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. We will shall pick up or drop off instruction right after, and with that I have provided 2 action button, need help and menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. As someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again, and I'm going to provide a separate message for need help. Like this, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our response time is 15 minutes and our working hours are from Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now let's move to our second action button, which is support device. To tell about the device we are working with, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Like this, where I have mentioned that we recover device from internal, external hard drive, laptop, desktop, mobile phone, SD card, pen drive, CCTV, server, NAS and RID system. Now with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I will connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. Let's move to our third action button, which is instruction. To tell about instruction, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I have mentioned that follow recovery instruction, device shipping and drop off guideline. Also with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, need help and menu. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help as I have told you already. With that, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for data recovery business. On to our last step, don't forget to activate your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.